Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we will do 75 MCQs on Indus Valley Civilization. This session will be having the questions little bit advanced level, right? So if anyone is preparing the chapter for the first time, so there is a one suggestion for you that please go into the description box. Here I provided the link of other two videos which are on the Indus Valley Civilization. Actually in these videos I covered a very basic questions. और इन वीडियोस को देखने के बाद आपका इस टॉपिक को लेकर जो है एक अच्छा बेस बन जाएगा। उन वीडियोस के बाद आप इस सेशन पर आइए और इसके सारे एमसीक्यूज अटेम्प्ट कीजिए, राइट? एंड इफ एनीवन इज विजिटिंग द चैनल फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, सो यू कैन सब्सक्राइब, एंड इफ यू सब्सक्राइब देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन आल्सो. So let us start our session. First question is, who among the following was not associated with the excavation of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro? Your A option is R.D. Banerjee, B option is K.M. Dixit, C option is M.S. Watts, and D option is V.A. Sumit. So right answer is option D, that is V.A. Sumit. Next question is, Indus Valley Civilization belongs to A option is prehistoric period, B is proto-historic period, C option is historic period, and D option is past historic period. So right answer is option B, that is proto-historic period. Next question is, which of the following does Harappa belongs to? A option is Sumerian civilization, B is Indus Valley civilization, C option is Vedic civilization, and D option is Mesopotamia civilization. So right answer is option B, that is Indus Valley civilization. And one more important point, that which is the world oldest civilization. So the answer will be Mesopotamia civilization. Next question is, what was the shape of the whole region of the Harappan civilization? A option is triangular, B is square, C option is rectangular, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is triangular. Next question is, which method did the Harappan people adopt for the layout of their houses? A option is triangular method, B is grid method or net method, C option is circular method, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option B, that is grid method or net method. Next question is, Indus Valley civilization was different from the Vedic civilization because A option is it had the amenities of a developed urban life, B option is it had hieroglyphic script, C option is it lacked the knowledge of iron and weapons of defense, and D option is all of the above. So right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is, which one of the following animals were not represented in the seals and terracotta artifacts? A option is cow, B is elephant, C option is rhinoceros, and D option is tiger. So right answer is option A, that is cow. Next question is, from the Harappan site, Banwali is found in the recent excavation. A option is human burial, B is cattle burial, and D option is residential building, and D option is protective wall. The right answer is option A, that is human burial. Next question is, cotton cultivation for clothes was done first in A option is Kalibangan, B is Mesopotamia, C option is Central America, and D option is India. So right answer is option D, that is India. Next question is, ivory measure in the Harappan context has been found in A option is Egyptian, B is Lothal, C option is Dholavira, and D option is Banwali. So right answer is option B, that is Lothal. Next question is, which Harappan town is divided into three parts? A option is Lothal, B is Kalibangan, C option is Dholavira, and D option is Surkotada. So right answer is option C, that is Dholavira. And the Dholavira site is in Gujarat, right? Next question is, on the bank of which river is situated that Harappan town which is represented by the archaeological site of Lothal? पूछा जा रहा है जो लोथल साइट है वो कौन सी रिवर के साइड जो है लोकेटेड है. Your A option is Narmada, B is Mahi, C option is Bhogwa, and D option is Bhima. So right answer is option C, that is the Lothal site is located on the bank of Bhogwa, और Lothal site located है गुजरात में, right? Next question is, people of which civilization built the earliest drainage system? A option is people of the Egyptian civilization, B is people of Indus Valley civilization, C option is people of the Chinese civilization, and D option is people of the Mesopotamia civilization. So right answer is option B, that is the people of Indus Valley civilization. Next question is, the state in which the Dholavira is situated. A option is Gujarat, B is Haryana, C option is Punjab, and D is Rajasthan. The right answer is option A, that is Gujarat. Next question is, which of the following is the characteristic of the Indus Valley civilization? A option is beautiful sculpture, B is religion and philosophy, C option is economic and social planning, and D option is town planning system. So right answer is option D. That is the main characteristics of Indus Valley civilization is its town planning system. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच लिस्ट वन। लिस्ट वन में आपको कुछ एक साइट्स दी हुई हैं जैसे लोथल, कालीबंगन, धौलावीरा एंड बनवाली, और सेकंड लिस्ट में दिया हुआ है कुछ एक आर्कियोलॉजिकल फाइंडिंग्स, कौन कौन सी जगह कौन सी साइट्स पर किस चीज के ट्रेसेस मिले हैं, आपको ये मैच करना है आपस में। तो इसका राइट आंसर देखिए ए का आएगा, दैट इज लोथल। लोथल के जाना जाता है फॉर द डॉकयार्ड। बी है कालीबंगन, कालीबंगन में मिले हैं ट्रेसेस ऑफ लोड फील्ड। थर्ड वन इज द धौलावीरा, राइट, धौलावीरा में मिले हैं ए रॉक इंस्क्रिप्शन विद 10 लार्ज साइज्ड कैरेक्टर ऑफ हड़प्पन स्क्रिप्ट। एंड फोर्थ इज द बनवाली which is known for the model of plow made of baked clay, right? Next question is evidence of an advanced water management system is being found in A option is Alamgirpur, B is Dhaulavira, C option is Lothal and Kalibangan, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option D, that is Dhaulavira. Dhaulavira साइट जो गुजरात में है उसको जाना जाता है इट्स वाटर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम के लिए। Next question is which of the following site is situated in the valley of the Ghaggar and its tributaries? A option is Alamgirpur, B is Lothal, C option is Mohenjo-daro, and D option is Banwali. So right answer is option D, that is Banwali. Banwali is in Rajasthan and it is situated on the bank of Ghaggar river, right? Next question is the evidence of twin burial has been found in A option is Mohenjo-daro, B is Harappa, C option is Lothal, and D option is Rangpur. So right answer is option C, that is Lothal. Next question is which of the following is not matched correctly? यहाँ पर जो है इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन की साइट्स दी हुई हैं और उनके फाउंडर्स दिए हुए हैं। सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द इनकरेक्ट वन। तो फर्स्ट देखिए हड़प्पा, हड़प्पा जो साइट है इट वाज फाउंडेड बाय दयाराम साहनी। बी इज लोथल, लोथल की जो फाउंडेशन की गई थी वो की गई थी एस आर राव के द्वारा। थर्ड इज द सुरकोतड़ा, सुरकोतड़ा फाउंडेड बाय जेपी जोशी। एंड फोर्थ इज द धौलावीरा, धौलावीरा के फाउंडर दिए हैं यहाँ पे वी के थापर। So incorrect one is the option D, that is Dhaulavira. Dhaulavira site was founded by J.P. Joshi in the year 1968, right? Next question is Rangpur, a site of contemporary Harappan civilization, is in A option is Punjab, B is East Uttar Pradesh, C option is Saurashtra, and D option is Rajasthan. So right answer is option C, that is Rangpur site is located in Saurashtra. Saurashtra means Gujarat, right? And Rangpur is known for the rice, right? Next question is which of the following is known as the Mound of Dead? A option is Harappa, B is Mohenjo-daro, C option is Kalibangan, and D option is Banwali. So right answer is option B, that is Mohenjo-daro, known as the Mound of Dead. Next question is the earliest ancient civilization to develop the proper system of writing is A option is Indus civilization, B is Egypt civilization, C option is Sumerian civilization, and D option is China civilization. So right answer is option C, that is Sumerian civilization. Next question is which is not matched correctly? A option is आलमगीरपुर, यहाँ पर साइट्स दी हुई हैं और आपको बताना है कौन सी साइट जो है कौन सी स्टेट में पड़ती है। सो फर्स्ट इज द आलमगीरपुर इन उत्तर प्रदेश, बी इज लोथल इन गुजरात, C option is Kalibangan in Haryana, and D option is Ropar in Punjab. So the incorrect pair is option C, that is Kalibangan. Kalibangan in Haryana. Kalibangan हरियाणा में नहीं है, Kalibangan राजस्थान में situated है, right? Next question is from which in the site a cylindrical seal been found? A option is Kalibangan, B is Harappa, C option is Mehergarh, and D option is Rakhigadi. So right answer is option A, that is Kalibangan. Next question is which of the following is a Harappan port? A option is Alexandria, B is Lothal, C option is Mahasantgarh, and D option is Nagapatnam. So right answer is option B, that is Lothal in Gujarat. और हमने previously किया कि Lothal जो है located है on the bank of Bhogwa river. Okay. Next question is which is the correct order of the following civilization from north to south? यहाँ पर कुछ एक civilization दी हुई है and you have to arrange these from north to south. तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज एज़टेक, देन माया, देन मोज़ेका एंड इंका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच लिस्ट वन विथ लिस्ट टू। लिस्ट वन में देयर आर हड़प्पन सिटी एंड लिस्ट टू में जो है उनकी लोकेशन दी हुई है, राइट? तो फर्स्ट देखिए इसका राइट आंसर आएगा दैट इज ऑप्शन ए के साथ, दैट इज मेडा इज सिचुएटेड इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड मेडा इज द नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट साइट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, राइट? सेकंड इज द देमाबाद, देमाबाद इज इन महाराष्ट्र and this Daimabad is the southernmost site of Indus Valley civilization. These points are important, right? So इनको अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. Third is the Kalibangan, Kalibangan in Rajasthan and Rakhigadi is in Haryana, right? Next question is, from where in the Harappan civilization has been found the evidence of plowed field been found? A option is Ropar, B is Lothal, C option is Kalibangan, and D option is Banwali. So right answer is option C, that is Kalibangan. Next question is, where in the following is Mohenjo-daro situated? A option is in the state of Gujarat in India, B is in the state of Punjab in India, C option is in the Sindh province of Pakistan, and D option is in Afghanistan. So right answer is option C, that is Mohenjo-daro site is situated in Sindh province of Pakistan. Next question is, the people of Indus Valley civilization worshipped. A option is Pashupati, B is Indra and Varuna, C option is Brahma, and D option is Vishnu. So right answer is option A, that is Pashupati. Next question is, the doors and windows of the house of the Indus Valley civilization opened not towards the streets but towards the backyards. But in which town did the doors of the houses open towards the main street? A option is Harappa, B is Lothal, C option is Mohenjo-daro, and D option is Ropar. So right answer is option D, that is Lothal. Next question is, which of the following sites of the Harappan culture is situated in Sindh? First site is Harappa, second one is Mohenjo-daro, third is Chahundro, and fourth is Surkotada. So right answer is option A, that is 1, 2 and 3. It means Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Chahundro. All these sites are in Sindh province of Pakistan. And Surkotada जो site है वो है गुजरात में, right? Next question is, which of the following civilization flourished on the bank of the river Nile? A option is the Roman civilization, B is the Indus Valley civilization, C option is the Greek civilization, and D option is Egyptian civilization. So right answer is option D, that is the Egyptian civilization. Next question is, the two Indians whose names are associated with the discovery of the Indus Valley civilization are: A option is Rakhaldas Banerjee and Dayaram Sahani, B option is John Marshall and Ishwari Prasad, C option is Ashirwadi, Lal Srivastav and Rangunath Rao, and D option is Madhu Saropwat and VB Rao. तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज राखलदास बनर्जी मीन्स आर डी बनर्जी एंड दयाराम साहनी. आर डी बनर्जी ने डिस्कवर की थी मोहनजोदाड़ो इन द ईयर 1922 एंड दयाराम साहनी डिस्कवर्ड द हड़प्पा साइट इन द ईयर 1921. ओके. Next question is, the excavation of Chahundro was directed by: A option is J.H. Mackay, B is Sir John Marshall, C option is I.E.M. Wheeler, and D option is Sir Aurel Stan. So right answer आएगा option A, that is J.H. Mackay. Next question is, which has not been found in the excavation of the Harappan sites? A option is drains and wells, B is forts, C option is granary, and D option is temple with the spire. So right answer is option D, that is temple with spire. Next question is, the main source of information about the Harappan culture is: A option is rock inscription, B is writings on the baked clay seal, C option is archaeological excavation, and D option is all of these. So right answer is option C, that is archaeological excavation. Next question is, which of the following is not a Harappan site? A option is Chahundro, B is Kotiji, C option is Sohagda, and D option is Jaisalpur. So right answer is option C, that is Sohagda. Next question is, which site of the Indus Valley civilization is now in Pakistan? A option is Kalibangan, B is Harappa, C option is Lothal, and D option is Alamgirpur. So right answer is option B, that is Harappa. Harappa is in Sindh province of Pakistan. बाकी जो कालीबंगन साइट है इट इज इन हरियाणा, जो लोथल है इट इज इन गुजरात, और जो आलमगीरपुर है ये साइट है उत्तर प्रदेश में. और जो आलमगीरपुर साइट है इट इज द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट साइट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन, राइट. Next question is, who among the following has held Indra responsible for the decline of the Harappan culture? जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन का डिक्लाइन हुआ था, कौन पर्सन रिस्पॉन्सिबल मानता है? इंद्र, मीन्स इंद्र गॉड को रिस्पॉन्सिबल मानता है इस चीज के लिए. ए ऑप्शन इज सर जॉन मार्शल, बी इज सर मार्टाइन व्हीलर, सी ऑप्शन इज सर ऑरेल स्टेन, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज एम एस वेट्स. सो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज सर मार्टाइमर व्हीलर. Next question is, a person who oversaw and the excavation of Mohenjo-daro and Harappa was: A option is Lord Macaulay, B is Sir John Marshall, C option is Clive, means Robert Clive, and D option is Colonel Todd. So right answer is option B, that is Sir John Marshall. Next question is, the image of the horn deity imprinted on the clay plate has been found in: A option is Banwali, B is Kalibangan, C option is Lothal, and D option is Surkotada. So right answer is option B, A, that is Banwali. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2। यहाँ पर कुछ आर्कोलॉजिकल साइट्स दी हुई हैं लिस्ट 1 में एंड अदर साइड पर जो है कुछ रिवर्स दी हुई हैं। अब आपको बताना है कि कौन सी साइट जो है कौन के रिवर के किनारे जो है लोकेटेड थी। तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज हड़प्पा इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ रावी, हस्तिनापुर इज ऑन द बैंक ऑफ गंगा एंड नागार्जुनकोंडा is located on the bank of the Krishna and Pathon, which is in Maharashtra, is situated on the bank of Godavari, right? Next question is, where was the great granary of the Harappan age civilization found? A option is Mohenjo-daro, B is Harappa, C option is Ropar, and D option is Kalibangan. So right answer is option A, that is Mohenjo-daro. Both great granary and great vault found in the site Mohenjo-daro. Okay. Next question is, which metal has not been found till date in the Harappan age sites? A option is copper, B is gold, C option is silver, and D option is iron. So right answer is option D, that is iron. Next question is, at which of the following places the famous bull seal belonging to the Indus Valley civilization was found? A option is Harappa, B is Chahundro, C option is Lothar, and D option is Mohenjo-daro. So right answer is option D, that is Mohenjo-daro. Next question is, evidence of men and women buried together has been found in. A option is Rangpur, B is Lothar, C option is Kortiji, and D option is Harappa. So right answer is option B, that is Lothar. Next question is, in the Harappan civilization, which color was generally used on the earthen pot? A option is red, B option is blue-green, C option is pale, and D option is blue. So right answer is option A, that is red, light red or brown color. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मैच द लिस्ट 1 विद लिस्ट 2। यहाँ पर अगेन जो है हड़प्पन साइट्स दी हुई हैं और अगर अदर साइट्स पर जो है रिवर्स दी हुई हैं और आपको बताना है कौन सी साइट्स जो है कौन सी रिवर के किनारे लोकेटेड है। तो देखिए, जो हड़प्पा जो साइट थी ये तो हमने प्रीवियसली किया, रावी नदी के किनारे स्थित थी, और जो कालीबंगन जो साइट थी इट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ घाघर, इसको भी हम कर चुके हैं। और जो लोथल है इट्स सिचुएटेड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ भोगवा, ये भी हम कर चुके हैं जो गुजरात में है। और रोपर देखिए, रोपर जो कि पंजाब में है, ये लोकेटेड है ऑन द बैंक ऑफ सतलुज, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वेयर हैज द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन बीन फाउंड? तो मैंने आपको प्रीवियस बताया दैट बोथ ग्रेट बाथ एंड ग्रेट ग्रैंडरी कहाँ पर सिचुएटेड है, तो इन मोहनजोदाड़ो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ऑन द पशुपति सील फाउंड इन मोहनजोदाड़ो, वन पॉइंट इज क्लियर दैट द पशुपति सील फाउंड फ्रॉम द साइट मोहनजोदाड़ो। यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है दैट इज मेड द इमेज ऑफ अ डीटी सराउंडेड बाय 4 एनिमल्स। जो पशुपति की सील थी उसमें डीटी बनी हुई थी जो कि सराउंडेड थी 4 एनिमल्स से। तो आपको उन 4 एनिमल्स के नाम बताने हैं, राइट। तो ए ऑप्शन इज चित्ता, राइनोसोर्स, बुफेलो एंड हॉर्स, बी ऑप्शन इज चित्ता, राइनोसोर्स, स्नेक एंड बुल, सी ऑप्शन इज लॉइन, राइनोसोर्स, स्नेक एंड बुल, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज टाइगर, राइनोसोर्स, बुफेलो एंड एलिफेंट। तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज टाइगर, राइनोसोर्स, buffalo and elephant. Next question is, Indus Valley civilization was non-Aryans as A option is it was an urban civilization, B option is it had its own script, C option is it had an agriculture economy, and D option is it spreads up to the Narmada Valley. So right answer is option A, that is it was an urban civilization. Next question is, where is the evidence of the decorated bricks being found in the Harappan civilization? A option is Harappa, B is Mohenjo-daro, C option is Banwali, and D option is Kalibangan. So right answer is option D, that is Kalibangan. Next question is, where is idol worship said to have begun? A option is pre-Aryan, B is later Vedic age, C option is Mauryan period, and D option is Kushan period. So right answer is option A, that is pre-Aryan. Next question is, which one is not properly matched from among the following pairs about the sites of the Harappan culture and their location? यहाँ पर अगेन कुछ साइट्स दी हुई हैं और वो साइट्स कौन सी स्टेट में लोकेटेड है वो दिया हुआ है। तो आपको इनकरेक्ट जो है पेयर फाइंड आउट करना है। तो हम ऑलमोस्ट सारा ही कर चुके हैं। मैंने आपको बताया जो आलमगीरपुर है, आलमगीरपुर साइट है वो उत्तर प्रदेश में है जो कि वेस्ट ईस्टर्न मोस्ट साइट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन है। बनवाली हरियाणा में है और दैमाबाद महाराष्ट्र में है जो कि साउदर्न मोस्ट साइट ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन है। और राखीगढ़ी जो है वो राजस्थान में नहीं है, वो लोकेटेड है हरियाणा में। दैट इज ऑप्शन डी इज द इनकरेक्ट वन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, फ्रॉम विच हरप्पन साइट हैज द एविडेंस ऑफ राइस कल्टिवेशन बीन फाउंड? ए ऑप्शन इज मोहनजोदाड़ो, बी इज हड़प्पा, सी ऑप्शन इज रंगपुर, डी ऑप्शन इज बनवाली। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, रंगपुर। और रंगपुर साइट लोकेटेड है इन गुजरात। Next question is, the Indus Valley people believed in. A option is soul and Brahma, B is rituals, C option is the yajna system, and D option is mother goddess. So right answer is option D, that is mother goddess. Next question is the largest Harappan archaeological site in India is A option is Alamgirpur, B is Kalibangan, C option is Lothal, D option is Dholavira. So right answer is option D, that is Dholavira. Next question is from where has the bronze figurine of dancer been found? A option is Harappa, B is Mohenjo-daro, C option is Kalibangan, and D option is Lothal. So right answer is option B, that is Mohenjo-daro. Next question is which of the following is or are the correct characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization? First is they had spacious buildings and temples. Second one is that they worshipped both male and female deities. And third is they used horse-driven chariots in wars. So you have to choose the correct statement. So only second one is the correct. Baki first and third are the incorrect. Next question is which of the following statement is not correct about the Indus Valley civilization? A option is adequate drainage system in towns. B is dual trade and commerce. C option is worship of mother goddess. And D is familiarity with the iron. So right answer is option D, that is familiarity with iron. जो आयरन था उससे अनअवेयर थे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के लोग, राइट? Next question is the main source of information about the civilization of the inhabitants of the Indus Valley is A option is seals, B is utensils, ornaments, weapon and implements. Third reason is the temple, and D option is both A and B. So right answer is option D, that is both and B. Next question is which Indus Valley site is located in India? A is Harappa, B is Mohenjo-daro, C is Lothal, D is none of the above. So Harappa and Mohenjo-daro both located in Pakistan और Lothal located है गुजरात में. So it means right answer is option C, that is Lothal. Next question is which are the indicators of the commercial and economical development of that time among remains found in the excavation of the Indus Valley? A option is earthenware, B is coins, B is C is boats, and D option is houses. So right answer is option D, that is coins. Next question is the Deri is a post-Harappan archaeological site of A option is Jammu, B is Punjab, C is Haryana, and D option is Uttar Pradesh. So right answer is option B, that is Punjab. Next question is which of the following statue was an important work of the Indus Valley civilization? A option is Nataraj, B is Dancing Girl, C option is Buddha, and D option is Narsimha. So right answer is option B, that is Dancing Girl. Next question is Lothal, a site of the Harappan civilization is situated in. तो मैं आपको काफी टाइम बता चुकी हूँ लोथल लोकेटेड है इन गुजरात. दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. Next question is the river on whose banks the Indus Valley civilization was situated were. First is Indus, second is Chenab, third is Jhelum, fourth is Ganga. आपको बताना है कि जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन की साइट्स थी वो कौन सी रिवर्स के किनारे लोकेटेड है. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 1, 2 and 3, दैट इज इंडस, चिनाब एंड झेलम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ साइट बिलोंगिंग टू द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. A is Kalibangan, B is Ropar, C is Patliputra and D is Lothal. Very easy question. I hope कि आप इसका आंसर गेस कर चुके होंगे. So right answer आएगा ऑप्शन C, that is Patliputra. Next question is from which of the site in the mature state of the Indus civilization has remains of wells in houses been found? A option is Harappa, B is Kalibangan, C is Lothal and D is Mohenjo-daro. पूछा जा रहा है कि कहाँ पर जो है घरों के अंदर जो है कुओं की हमें एविडेंस देखने को मिलते हैं. सो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज मोहनजोदाड़ो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फॉलोइंग वाज द फर्स्ट मेटल यूज्ड बाय मैन. कौन सा मेटल जो फर्स्ट टाइम जो है लोगों के द्वारा यूज किया गया? ए ऑप्शन इज गोल्ड, बी इज सिल्वर, सी इज कॉपर, डी ऑप्शन इज आयरन. ये मोस्टली जो है क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में रिपीटेड रहता है, तो इसका राइट आंसर आएगा कॉपर. Next question is which of the following animals is not found inscribed on the Harappan culture seals? A is bull, B option is elephant, C option is horse and D is sheep. The right answer is option C, that is horse. Next question is which pair in the context of the origin of the Harappan civilization is not correct? So your A option is M. Rafiq Mughal said that the origin of the Harappan civilization was inspired by the Mesopotamia civilization. Second is the E.J.H. Mackay. It suggests that the migration of people from Sumer led the origin of Harappan civilization. Third is the Mortimer Wheeler. It said that spread of the concept of civilization from the West Asia. And fourth and last option is the Amarnanda Ghosh, said that the Harappan civilization evolved as a result of the maturation of the pre-Harappan civilization. So the incorrect one is the first statement, that is option A is the right answer. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the session. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.